to my channel about narcissistic abuse and healing. Today we will talk about the sheer importance of writing about emotional pain. If you are deeply traumatized and you refuse to write about your pain in a private journal, you drastically bring down your chances to heal. Because you are not having a conversation with the most important person in your life. You need to tell your story to yourself. As abuse survivors, nobody can offer us the amount of compassion and understanding that we can do to ourselves. The cathartic power of expression. When we experience pain, whether it is from a traumatic event, a broken relationship, or the slow erosion of self-esteem, those emotions often stay bottled up inside us, festering and growing more intense over time. Writing allows us to release these emotions in a safe and controlled way. By putting our thoughts and feelings into words, we give them shape and form, making them much easier to handle. The act of writing itself can be incredibly cathartic. As you pour your pain onto the page, you may find that the emotions that once felt overwhelming begin to dissipate. The paper becomes a container for your suffering, allowing you to set it down. You put your story in it, and when you do, you release it. It is no longer buried and stuck inside. You are free. It is like saying goodbye to a monster that has been living inside you. This release is the first step in healing, as it helps to alleviate the emotional pressure that builds up inside. I have not had an easy life. I started out writing to save my life. Gaining perspective and understanding. When we are in pain, it is easy to get lost in the intensity of our emotions. Writing provides a way to step back and gain perspective, revealing patterns and connections that might not have been obvious before. You may notice how certain thoughts trigger specific emotions, or how past experiences shape your current feelings. This reflection leads to deeper self-understanding, helping you to uncover the root causes of your pain, whether it is unresolved grief, unmet needs, or deep insecurities. Sarah, for example, who had long been unable to speak about her rape, eventually turned to writing as an outlet. In her poems, she was able to lay out her pain in powerful images. Now, she was reaching an understanding of what had happened to her. Her words helped her reframe this event, feel the pain of it, and understand the why of it. Her words helped her emerge from the shadows of her trauma to transform. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.